Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you, and this one is made using some of my own digitals, and I have used some of ARTYmaze and I have used some of Tracy Fox as well. I brought out just earlier on today, I'll show you this first. It's just a three-page butterfly pack, so I've used that. So there's that one there, and there's that one, and then there's that one. And I have used these not only for my pages, but I have used them for my pockets and the tags as well, just like chop them up. And so it's actually amazing what you can do even if you've only got 3 pages. Okay, so that will be available in my shop under the digital section. So this journal here measures 8 by 4 3/4. It has one signature. There are 56 pages front and back. The kits that I used that are my own, I will link below. So it was the 3-page butterfly and florals, some tags from the tag pack, the 15 tag pack, and I used some pockets from the pockets and tag pack as well, but I will link them below. So anyway, this journal will be in my shop for sale if you're interested. So let me just make sure I'm in frame. Okay, so this is one of the pages from the butterflies and florals that I used as the cover, and I've also used it inside for various other things. And we've got a bit of lace on here as well, and then we've got the butterfly. I didn't want to cover them over with anything, so I just left as is. It's got 4 layers here, all stitched round, eyelets and organza ribbon as a closure, and then we've got some tabs on here as well. So on the inside there, we've got this coffee dyed, and I've done some splattering on there. So again, this is one of the pages from the butterflies and florals. The pocket here is from the pockets and tag pack, and I have reduced most of my digitals down to like really cheap. So if you want to check that out, and they're just going to stay at that price. I'm not going to like bring them back up. This is actually from Tsunami Rose, so I've been coffee dyed, done some stamping throughout, as you can see. And like I said, that's one of my pockets. This is from one of them. I think it might be the pockets and tags pack, and I've just put that onto coffee dyed paper sewn around it. Then we have this, and that is from the pocket and tag pack, and this is from ARTYmaze. That is her positive quotes tags. So like I said, stamping, I've done a lot of stamping in this. Another page from the butterfly and florals. I used one of the pages to make a side tuck, and then this butterfly is in one of them kits as well. Just done a little cluster behind there and some cheesecloth. Inside there we've got this from ARTYmaze, which is a positive quotes. This is the old design shop, and what I did was I printed 2 to a page. That's all been coffee dyed. Then I made these 2 journal cards from one of the pages as well. I'll put some tabs on there. Some more stamping. Like I said, lots of stamping in there. Doily, paper bag, some digital music paper. This is the old design shop. That's the old design shop. Some more stamping. And I've done the paper, so I've got some nice marks on them as well. Another page from the butterfly and florals. I've got some nice roses in the background there. Pocket, this is a double, well, it can be a double or a triple pocket, but I used the other piece that would go along there. I used that to make another pocket elsewhere in the journal. This is from Tsunami Rose, and that goes in there. We have another positive quote tag from ARTYmaze. This is from my pockets and tag pack. And this is another one of them from the old design shop that I printed 2 to a page and coffee dyed that. That goes in there. Some nice coffee markings here and there, some stamping. Centre of the signature. Both these pockets are from the pockets and tag pack. Inside there we have a tag that I made from one of the pages from the butterfly and florals. This is one of mine from the 15 tag pack, and this is from Tracy Fox, which is the Field Notes layered tags. This is from my pockets and tag kit. That is from ARTYmaze. And then on the other side there we have another tag that I made from one of the pages with obviously the florals and the butterflies. This is one of mine as well. It's a little bit obviously grungier with the butterflies there. This is a Tracy Fox, the Field Notes layer tags. This is from my pockets and tag pack, and this is from ARTYmaze. Some more stamping with some nice coffee marks on there. This could be put on there as a triple pocket, but I chose to make a little pocket with it there. Another tag that I made from one of the pages from the butterflies and florals. This is from the old design shop. This is from my, I think it's the pockets and tag pack. This is from the pockets and tag pack. Coffee markings on there, lovely butterflies. There is lots of journaling room as normal. Stamping, nice coffee marks on there. Here I made a pocket using one of the pages from the butterflies and florals. This is from Tsunami Rose, been coffee dyed. This is one of mine from the 15 tag pack. This is the old design shop. Printed the other one of them I printed to a page. And that is from the pocket and tag pack. It's got a little butterfly there. Butterflies and florals page. This is from the pocket and tag pack. Inside there we have a butterfly tag from the 15 tag pack. Like I said, I will link my tag packs and things below if you want to go over and check them out. This is Tracy Fox, and the pocket here is pockets and tags, and that is the back with the butterflies and the florals. So there we have it, another journal. I just love this, love that page. Obviously I had my smart head on when I done that one. So like I said, this will be listed in my shop. I'll list the other kits below if you want to go over and check them out. And like I said, I have reduced them, most of them all down to, you know, just over £1. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.